Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Young John, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to download iOS 15.3.1, and it just came out today. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to General, and I'm gonna go to About first to show y'all what software version I'm on right now, and I'm on 15.3. And I'm going to show y'all how to get 15.3.1. So now you're going to tap on software update. And you can see right there 15.3.1. And you're going to tap where it says download and install, where I have the blue arrow pointing. And it's going to ask you for your passcode. So you put in your passcode. And then it says update requested. And then you can see right there iOS 15.3.1 provides important security updates for your iPhone and fixes an issue that may cause Braille displays to stop recording. I don't really be messing with them Braille displays, but anybody can benefit from using important security updates on your phone. And it's not even that big of an update either, so it shouldn't take your phone that long to install it. And now I'm going to tap on this blue link, the support.apple.com, to show y'all what information is on that page. And it talks about Apple security updates. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the release date on the right side, 10 February 2022, 10 February 2022. And it'll tell you when an update came out and what phones or watches or MacBooks it's available for. So today we're doing 15.3.1, and look, iPhone 6s and later, iPad Pro all models, iPad 2 and later, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad mini 4 and later. And if you find that type of information helpful, or you like this video, do me a favor and hit it with a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks. And to access the automatic updates window, it's right at the top, right above where iOS 15.3 is, automatic updates. But I keep mine off. I prefer to have mine off. But if you want yours to be automatic, that's how you do it. You just tap on it. And instead of it saying off, you make it say on. And I'm going to fast forward in a couple seconds to when this preparing update bar finishes, because this video doesn't need to be like 15 to 20 minutes long of me just talking while the bar is finishing. So there we go. You see it says downloaded. And once it says downloaded, you can go back to it and hit install now. And it's going to ask you for your passcode. And this time, I screen recorded it before I hit install now because it was shut off. As soon as I hit install now, it shuts off your phone. But now my phone finished installing. I started screen recording again. I'm going to tap on about. And look, software version 15.3.1. And tap on software update. iOS 15.3.1. iOS is up to date. And that's the video, y'all. If y'all found this video helpful, make sure to hit it with a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out. Peace.